As drawing and design work is wrapping up, electrical users put the finishing touches on project content with reporting to easily gather all of the project's data to produce drawings or exported files. Focusing on the recently added safety relay, we could see several reporting feature enhancements in play, specifically merged row hyperlinks, post-filter testing in advanced mode, preview breaks, and exported PDF datasheet options. Let's start by looking at merged row hyperlinks. If a report column contains merged rows, a necessary selection to capture and see part quantities, now with a count greater than 1, hyperlinks appear, where multiple parts were listed for easier navigation and review. Next, if we edit a report in advanced mode, our advanced mode report creation now allows post-filter results to be previewed. This cuts down on time spent validating and checking custom SQL queries for report customizations. Reports that include break settings in the Sort and Break tab are now capable of previewing where those breaks occur before solidifying report drawings. This cuts down on some of the back and forth customizations and helps to confirm that results match intent in the report configuration. Wrapping up reports, we're ready to send our drawings out in whatever format is preferred by our team for easy viewing. Exporting to PDF gives us additional options with the datasheets we referenced during part creation. Datasheet links can take us to the file originally linked, and if we've included the datasheet in our project's drawing list, these can now also be included in the generated PDF, adding critical part data directly to the project documentation so all of our stakeholders have the information they need with less hunting and searching. Try out some of these enhancements in your next project in SOLIDWORKS Electrical.